Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a Peachy cheap order in. Let's check it out. This is one I missed, and it came back around. I was so excited that I had ordered it. So I'm going to start out with the paper. So we got, it's by Bella, and it looks like that on one side. It's called Monster and Friends. Oh my god, look at them. Aren't they adorable? Oh, so cute. Oh my lord, aren't they adorable? You can cut them out. A little. And then the little jack-o'-lanterns. A little ghost. Clouds on one side. Polka dots on the other. Now that one I'm so happy with. There's that one again. Love the little jack-o'-lanterns. The little monsters. And then, of course, it looks like that. And then that. I wish they had a 12 by 12 like that. That would have been a decent one. So, alright. And then it came with a sticker sheet. We have borders, little sayings, little tabs, alphabet, little stickers. And then it came also with a thing of washi tape that looks like slime. A little package of stars. And then the ephemera pack. That's what I want to see. And the ephemera pack has a total of, it doesn't say, 112. No, 112. If I can get it open to share with you. So let's start. We have this one. Cute. Oh, look at the house. Yeah, the Peachy Cheap has been drawing me in. They are getting me with the Halloween big time. Flower. Another flower. I think it's a sign. A balloon. Another balloon. It says happy birthday on that one. I think it's supposed to be a lollipop. A balloon. Oh, a little candy corn. This says a little green little piece. Best costume. It's a little monster. Here are some little pieces. Candy corn. Little cloud. Another candy corn. Candy corn. I think that's supposed to make some sort of flower. Yum. Creeping it real. A little ghost. I love it. I'm gonna take the monster and put one of those the real bobbly eyes on there. Be cool. Little ghost. Little monster with glasses. Look at this monster. There's a ghost. Another ghost. Here's another ghost. Pink little ghost. Or monster. Here's a ghost. Here are some little pieces. Look at this one. Oops. A flower. It says booyah. Little banner. Pumpkin. A flower. A little baseball hat that says hey. Eyeballs. I think these are just little flower bud pieces right here. Somewhere. Right there. We have some banners. This one says, "In this house, we really love Halloween. Cutest monster on the block. Happy Halloween." Another little flower. Excuse me. October. Some jack-o'-lanterns. A banner that says trick or treat. The little labels, you know, you can put over. Another little labels. Beautiful. A spider. This one folds over with a little ghost. Here's a star. Another one with just some colors that folds over. Spooky. Scarecrow. Haha. Here's a jack-o'-lantern. Another jack-o'-lantern. Oh, some more candy corn. Some more of those flowers. Another little jack-o'-lantern. Another jack-o'-lantern. This is cute. Some little candy. Oh, look at the baby jack-o'-lantern. It's a baby. And then monster. Here's some more flowers. A little banner with a spider. Another little jack-o'-lantern. This is a cute little set. Another little jack-o'-lantern. Oh, look at the grandma. Grandma monster, I'm calling it. We have some more little candy. Some flowers. Some more flowers and candy corn. A little monster. Some more eyeballs. Another little monster. A flower. Some tags. One of those, you fold it over. Tab, thank you. Wow. Some more candy corn. A jack-o'-lantern. A cloud. Little school bus. A bat and a moon. Some more eyeballs and a flower. That is my Peachy Cheap called Little Monster and Friends. Came faster than I thought it would. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a cute little set. I'm happy with it. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Have a good day.